Welcome to Two Rocks, a little coastal gem north of Perth, named after, you guessed it, two big rocks just offshore. This seaside town was once part of a bold dream back in the 1970s, a place called Junjab Sun City. What's there? What is that?
That's me.
It's Neptune.
Aquarius.
It's Neptune. Complete with a shiny new marina and a marine park called Atlantis. The park is long gone now, but the giant King Neptune statue still stands tall, keeping an eye on the ocean and greeting everyone who visits. We spent a sunny Sunday here in July and started our day at the dock beach. The wind was strong, the waves were wild, and Dudley had a great time. I really wanted to fly our little DJI Neo drone, Little Miss Sunshine, through the natural rock window out at sea. But with those gusts coming straight off the ocean, I quickly decided it was safer to hand the controller to Simon, our very calm and very skilled pilot. He carefully maneuvered the drone straight through the window, even against the strong headwind. I'm pretty sure if I had tried, the drone would now be living somewhere at the bottom of the sea. King Neptune invites you to stand on his hand and take a selfie with him in the background. And of course we followed his invitation. How couldn't we? We sent the drone up again for a flight over the iconic King Neptune statue, giving a bird's eye view of the harbour and the beautiful coastline. From above, you really get a feel for how peaceful and special this little seaside town still is. As we wandered around the parks near the tavern, we spotted some of the old sculptures left from the Atlantis Marine Park days, quite reminders of the town's playful past. After that bit of excitement, we treated ourselves to a delicious lunch at the local tavern. Highly recommended if you are ever in town. Later, we wandered through the small shopping precinct, enjoying the relaxed coastal vibe and a peek into the few of the local stores. Then we made our way down to the boat harbour for a slow, easy stroll by the water, the calm after the adventure. Okay. That one there, this little one here in the front, it looks like the size of the boat that we had how many years ago? 10 years ago, yeah. Yes, we tried that one too. It was fun. How long was it? 4.75? I think it was a 4.7 or 4.8 meters. And we had some fun.
Yeah.
We went fishing around Bribey Island. Hey?
Forgot to put the bunks in.
Yeah, tell that story.
Let the boat to water, forgot to put the bunks in because I was sitting on a
trailer for a while.
Yeah. And yeah, went up for fishing.
Yeah, we loved it.
Just out in Bribey Passage. Yeah, and then
we were wondering
water runs in on the back.
why do we, and our son, he wasn't staying in the back, he said like, is there meant to be water at the bottom of the boat? And he was staying in the water with his feet, and we were like, oops, no. And then there was
next to us, he was laughing. I said,
he was laughing.
I did the same.
Yeah, the guy next to us in the boat. Yeah. And then the other day, when we went with our friends,
Forgot the key.
Mel and Steve. We wanted to go fishing with them, and then arriving at the harbour, wanting to put the boat in the water, and realized we left the keys at home. And then we went one day, beautiful day, we went to Morton Island. What harbour did we use? From Scarborough?
From Scarborough.
Yes, from Scarborough. We went over to Morton Bay, to Morton Island. We had a beautiful day out there, and then in the early afternoon we decided it's time to go home. And the wind picked up, and the tide came in, and the tide, like the waves, became higher.
White tips on the wave, yeah.
And guess what? I didn't feel the best. Like I was. Close to being seasick. I wasn't seasick, but I was close to. No, I was actually seasick when we went with your friends, with the red.
Oh yeah.
That's when I was seasick. But with our little boat, I haven't been seasick, but I was close to it. It was so rough. So yeah, we had some fun experience.
Screaming, slow down.
I don't think we can go in here.
No, it's.
As the day came to an end, we climbed the dunes to enjoy the view over the marina and the endless blue ocean. Two Rocks might be small, but it's full of character. A lovely mix of seaside calm, local history and a dash of adventure. The perfect place for a simple Sunday escape. Good?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
It was a beautiful day? Okay.
Yeah.
Time to go home?
Time to go home.
What do you think? How long is the drive?
1.5 hours.
Yeah, 1.5 hours from home. But that was totally worth it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Such a beautiful spot. Okay, see? There are other docks down there.
I think that's the northern Caravan.
So that's the tavern. We just had lunch from the other side, overlooking the harbour. If you're on Two Rocks, the tavern has good food, really. Good food, nice beer, friendly service, and super clean toilets, just saying.